Logo reveal animation with glowing lines are a very common practice in the logo animation industry. However, it only works if you do it correctly. In this video, you will learn how to create a logo reveal animation with glowing lines in After Effects. Alright, so let's create a new composition. Give it whatever name you want. You can see the rest of the settings on my screen. After creating the composition, I'm going to select the Type tool. Then, you can write your own text into the composition and simply align it to the center. Next, I'm going to pre-compose this layer and name it Logo Holder. Make sure to check this icon before clicking OK. Now I'm going to animate it. To animate this, first, I'm going to place the time indicator at the 3-second mark, and then I will add a keyframe on the scale properties. Then I'll go back to the first frame and change the scale value to around 200% to scale up this composition. Now you can see how it animates. We just created our basic animation. After that, I renamed this layer Logo Lines. To make the outlines, I'm going to the Effects and Presets panel, search for the Vegas effect, and add it to this layer. Let's look at these settings. First, I'm going to change the blend mode to transparent so we can see the outlines. Then, I will change the segments to 1 to get a single stroke. After that, I'll change the width to around 7 pixels for now. As you can see, our stroke line is quite blurry and not properly visible. So to fix that, I'm going to increase the hardness value slightly to get a clean look. We can adjust the width of this stroke line, and then I'm going to change its color to white like this. We are now ready to animate these lines. I'm going to place my time indicator around 3 seconds, and then I will change its rotation property to animate this stroke line. I'm going to add a keyframe at this point. Then I'll go back to the first frame and change the rotation value so you can see how it will animate. The next thing is that I will change the midpoint opacity of this line. So I'll change its value from the Effects panel. Next, I'm going to place the time indicator around 2 seconds and add a keyframe on the start opacity. Then, I'll go to the last keyframe and change the start opacity value to 0 so it will make our stroke lines disappear. And you can see the short preview on my screen. Next, I want a subtle glow effect on this outline. So, I'm going to search for a glow effect and then add it to this layer, so this will give us slightly glowing outlines. After that, I'll select all the keyframes and then press F9 on the keyboard to ease those keyframes. Then, you open the graph editor so you can see the speed graph of this animation. Now I'm going to select the start point, so it will give us a handle like this, and simply change it as I am doing here to get a smoother animation. Once you've done this, simply duplicate this layer and place it below the Logo Lines layer. I also renamed this layer Logo. To colorize this logo first, I'm going to turn off all the effects from this layer. And then I'm going to search for an effect called Gradient Ramp and add it to this layer so it will give us a gradient look. After that, I'm going to search for another effect called Colorama and add it to this layer as well. After adding the Colorama effect, you can go to Output Cycles and here you can see a bunch of presets. So choose whichever you like most. But one thing I want to tell you at this point is that whenever you apply the Colorama effect, you will get these edgy corners on the text or logo. To remove this edgy look, simply go to the Modify Property drop-down menu and under it simply uncheck the Modify Alpha checkbox to solve this problem. Alright, so next I'm going to animate this colored logo. For this, I'll place the time indicator around the 1 second mark. Then I select the logo color layer. Then I select the Ellipse tool and create a circular mask over this colored logo. Then I open the mask properties and add a keyframe on the mask path. Then I go forward to around 4 seconds and then I change the mask path once again to reveal the logo. However, it looks very edgy. So I am going to increase the mask feather amount to smooth out the edges of this mask. And you can adjust the mask anytime if required. Now, it looks good. After that, I'm going to duplicate this logo and rename it Logo Original. Then I'll open its mask path keyframes and move them slightly forward to get some randomness. Then I'm going to remove all the effects from this layer to reveal the original logo. And now you can see the preview. Alright, so next I'm going to add a new solid layer to this timeline. And of course, this is going to be the background layer. Simply search for a gradient ramp effect and add it to this solid layer. Simply place it below all the layers so we can see the logo on the screen. Next, I'm going to change its end color to warm red because I set the logo color to the warm side. And now it's matching with the logo. However, you can play with the end color and animate those as well to get this look. Or you can simply turn off this layer if you want a solid black background. So, that's how you can create a minimal logo reveal with glowing lines. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.